Hi guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we are here at Watson's at their 7th and their newest outlet in Bangalore. We're here to try out some of their amazing pub grub as well as their quirky cocktails and see just what it's like to go to a place that's easy to get down to after work. So let's go check it out. Absolutely love the vibe of Watson's. We love the old-timey feel, the graphic posters, as well as the absolutely amazing music. Some of the dishes that we really enjoyed was anything deep fried. We're telling you it's absolutely delicious, as well as their absolutely amazing cocktails. We love the Kiwi Smash and the International Velvet. Sweet tooth lovers, you'll love that one. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us on our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember to stay hungry.